Hello everyone, welcome to Funch. In our brand new video tutorial, we'll be exploring the art of creating a visually stunning landing page for a fictional cryptocurrency trading platform called Coinwave. To bring our design to life, we'll be leveraging the timeless elegance of Segoe UI, a classic font family that never goes out of style. And to add a touch of sophistication to our layout, we'll be incorporating a beautiful, pristine blue color that is sure to leave a lasting impression on our audience. Let's start designing. Okay, let's get started with this project. First, what you want to do, as always, you want to import the starter pack files we have provided in the description. So just copy them from the Figma file and paste them into your frame. I'm just going to put them right here. There we go. Let's start designing. Let's get a desktop frame. So click F to get the frame tab. Let's give this a title, crypto landing page. Let's give it the same to the frame, landing page. We can just put landing page. Okay, there we go. Okay, first what we want to do is we want to create a grid in this frame. So let's add a layout grid, columns, 112 of them. The margin is going to be 120 and the gallery is going to be 24. There we go. Okay, so as a starter, we can put the gradient background to our design. So let's just copy it and just paste it. There we go. Let's disable the grid and see how this looks like. I will provide a source on how I create this background linear gradients in the description. This one in particular I created with background jar, so biggiejar.com. I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can explore on your own if you want to create some linear gradient backgrounds and that you can use in your design. So you can just add your colors in and you can adjust everything to your liking. Okay, I'm gonna log this. So this is the background, the curved line one here. I'm gonna lock it so I don't accidentally touch it while I'm designing this. So let's design the navigation. We want a frame of 64 pixels. Let's drag it all the way. There we go. Let's start with the logo. Here's the logo. Let's just copy it. We actually designed this project Coinwave in a previous video, so if you want to check it out, you can go to our channel and search it up if you want to design it as well. Let's see what's happening with our layout grid. There we go. Activate the grid. Select your navigation. Let's give this a proper name. So navigation. Let's paste it. Let's align it in the grid here. There we go. Okay, let's design the navigation links here. So let's right here, trait. And this should be in Segoe UI. We're going to be using Segoe UI both for body and headings. So it's going to be universal for this project. Let's add semi-bold. This should be liquidity. And this should be swap. Fourth one should be developers. And the fifth one should be about. There we go. Let's select all of them, align them, and distribute horizontal spacing and give them a spacing of 40 pixels. There we go. Let's group them and align them both vertically and horizontally in the center. There we go. Okay, let's design the button here. We're going to have a button and a sign in. So let's design the button, get started. Let's add our layout, holding Shift A. Let's add 8 pixels top and bottom and 12 pixels left and right. There we go. Let's add a fill here. This should be white with 4 pixels for a radius, and select the text holding Control and you can drill down into it. Let's give this a blue color. So let's select our primary color here. There we go. Let's place this on the grid. There we go. Let's create the let's check this. Okay, let's create a sign in now. Sign in. and this should be in regular, so let's give it less priority. Or actually, we can copy this button here, select this, regular, add white color, and now you can select the whole button and just hide the fill. There we go. This will give us much better spacing and readability. Let's position 16 pixels away. There we go. Okay, this should be signed in. It's 16 pixels. There we go. Let's disable the grid. Okay, looking good. Let's activate the grid. There we go. Okay, let's just write up the title now. So we have a heading now, and say start investing in your crypto portfolio today and grow your crypto. Align this to the left, and you want to give this a font size of 56 pixels. There we go. And we're going to adjust the font height, the line height here. So it's 74. Let's try 68. So we want it to be a little bit squished. Let's go 66. You can disable and enable the grid holding Control Shift 4. There we go. I think that's looking good. Okay, let's design the description below it. So click T and just let's write it up. This should say buy and sell cryptocurrencies at the safest exchange. Let's change the size here to 20. Something bugged here, so you can see the okay, let's see what we can do about this. Okay, so there's something going on with this font, so let's copy this and see what happens. 20. Okay, there we go. The box sizing just went out of scope. Okay, let's right here, buy and sell cryptocurrencies at the safest crypto exchange market under. Position this to the left and start earning passive income on your investments. There we go. Let's set it to font weight regular and align it to the grid, and let's grab our color here. We have a text color, so EF, copy the hex code and just paste it to the fill. Let's disable the grid and let's position this approximately 20 pixels. There we go. And we can also change this heading a little bit. Let's try 64. Line height. Yeah, should do the trick. Okay, let's now create a button here. So we need a button that's going to say get started free. There we go. This should be 18 pixels. Let's add our layout holding Shift A, and let's add 12 pixels top and bottom and 16 left and right. Let's add a fill. Let's select the text holding Control so you can drill down, and let's add it this blue color, and let's find something darker, something slightly darker. There we go. And let's add semi-bold here. Let's position this 32 pixels away. Let's copy it holding Alt Shift, and right here, View App. Let's give this text a white color, you'll see why. And then you just want to disable the fill and position this approximately 16 pixels away. There we go. Let's group this, Control G, and let's group this as well. So hold all of your elements, Control Shift and group. There we go. Let's position this in the middle. Let's see how this looks like. Okay, it's looking good. Now what we want to do here is we want to add the image here we have. So we have an image. Let's just copy it. These are just two mockups that I've created for this project. Just copy them and just paste them here. Let's activate the layout grid for a second. And we don't have to follow the layout grid for this image. We can position it on our own. So let's see, maybe here somewhere. Let's scale it, holding Shift. So it scales equally. And there we go. Let's try to center this. Just adjust it. There we go. Let's disable the grid now. And there we go. We have a landing page for the Coinwave cryptocurrency trading app. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully you learned something new in this tutorial. If you want us to create more of these tutorials, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next tutorial.